Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over if you can't see the add friend option on Facebook. So you want to go in and add a friend, but you don't see that as an option. Here, I'll give you some examples of why that is. There are a variety of different reasons, and we'll try to cover those different reasons here. First, I'll give you one example. I'll tap on the little search icon here, and then I can just search for Mark Zuckerberg. And I pull up Mark Zuckerberg's profile, and you can see there's no option to add him as a friend. I can only follow him. And that's because he's a public figure. Basically, Facebook has made it so that if you're a public figure, you can set your settings so that people can't add you as friends. They can just follow you. So in that instance, there's absolutely no way to add him as a friend. You can just follow him because he's a public figure. Another reason why you might not see the add friend option, especially if they're not, this famous person, is for a variety of privacy reasons. So I can tap into my little settings on the bottom right here, and then go into settings. And then if I scroll down to privacy, you can see blocking as an option. And if that person has blocked you, then you won't be able to add them as a friend. And especially if you sent them a friend request and they said no, they rejected your friend request and basically chose the option on Facebook to not let that person, friend request you again, or basically, ignore any future friend requests from that person, then you won't be able to friend request them anymore. Another thing is if you tap on the little privacy settings here and you go down, you can see the option who can send you a friend request. If this is set to just friends of friends, then if you don't have any friends in common with that person, you won't be able to send a friend request to that person. It basically just won't give you that option because they've set that in the privacy. So in other words, if you don't see the add friend option on Facebook, it's because of the privacy settings from the other person or how they've configured their profile. So there's really nothing you can do to change that. You can reach out to them if you know them in person. You can reach out to them in person and say, hey, can you add me on Facebook, or let's connect on Facebook. But otherwise, you won't be able to add them as a friend on Facebook. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions, and please subscribe to this channel. Appreciate it.